What's the color of the sky so high? Blue, blue, up in the sky. What's the color of the grass we see? Green, green, as fresh can be. What's the color of the bright, bright sun? Yellow, yellow, shining fun. What's the color of a juicy plum? Purple, purple, yum, yum, yum. What's the color of a fire truck's head? Red, red, zooming ahead. What's the color of a chocolate crown? Brown, brown, yummy town. What's the color of the snowy white bear? White, white, soft as air. What's the color when the day turns back? Black, black, night on track.